This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla Walker. Ashbee featuring 5 bedrooms and 3 baths, open den plus loft. First floor primary bedroom suite west/huge closet and spacious ensuite bathroom. Upstairs has 4 BRS plus loft plus second laundry room. Large, open kitchen west/big dining island and pantry. Granite countertops in kitchen and bathrooms. LVP flooring downstairs. Gorgeous design features included. 2-car garage. Closing costs west/appr'd lender partners. Completed. Quick close homes avail. January 3, 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact Carla Walker at 757-652-1414.